Right, here we go. As you can see, it's been snowing hen. Alright, and as we look over here, there's the little beauty of a workshop. So, as we walk in, security wise, I've got a nice lock there and a deadlock. Okay, coming inside, this is a computer drawer, computer desk, and then it has this big bookcase above it, and this little space here is where the computer goes. This is my bench. This is so I don't have to bend down, and the one below it is so I can build wardrobes, and this basically is a messy workshop. Yeah, so there you go. Righty bloody righty, righto.